Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn sentence structure in a very easy and simple way. I will also give you some real life examples so you can understand it better. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. For example, I eat food. This is a complete sentence because it gives a complete meaning. We say मैं खाना खाता हूँ. This also gives a complete idea. They play cricket. Parts of sentences. Every sentence has two main parts, subject and predicate. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us what the subject is doing. For example, Ali plays cricket. Now let's move on to next slide, that is types of sentences. There are four main types of sentences, which are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. Each type has a different purpose. Let's understand them one by one. A declarative sentence gives information or makes a statement. For example, she is a teacher. I play cricket. She is very kind. The sun rises in the east. In all these sentences, you can see there is information or declaration of something. Simple tip, if a sentence is telling you something, not asking, not commanding, not showing strong emotion, it is a declarative sentence. The next one, sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Are you ready? What's your name? Where are you from? All these sentences are interrogations. This sentence ends with a question mark. We use it when we want to ask something. It's imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives us a command or request. For example, close the door, open your book, let them play. Here we are telling someone to do something. The subject is usually hidden. Sentences. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feelings or emotions. For example, wow, this is amazing. Alas, they lost the match. We use these type of sentences when we are excited, surprised, or emotional. Next one is simple sentences. A simple sentence has only one idea or any one information. For example, I go to school. She lives in Karachi. It rains. The sentence is short and clear. It has one subject and one action to be performed. The next one, compound sentences. A compound sentence has two ideas joined together. For example, I study and I play. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. We can watch a movie or we can go out for dinner. He likes coffee and she prefers tea. Complex sentence. A complex sentence has one main idea and one dependent idea. For example, I study because I want success. Here the second part explains the reason. I will call you when I reach home. He didn't go to school because he was sick. Versus complex sentences. The difference between compound and complex sentences is mainly about how the clauses are connected together. Compound sentence. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses, complete ideas, joined by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, so, yet, or a semicolon. For example, I like tea and she likes coffee. He was tired, but he kept working. Both parts can stand alone as full sentences. But the complex sentence, a complex sentence has one independent clause, a complete idea, at least one dependent clause, and one incomplete idea, joined by subordinating conjunction because, although, if, when, while, since. For example, I stayed home because it was raining. Although he was tired, he continued working. One part cannot stand alone because of dependent clause. MCQs. Which one of the following is a complete sentence? Number A, running in the park. She is reading a book. Because he was late, the happy boy. She is reading a book. B is the correct answer for this. Question number 2. Identify the subject in the sentence. Ali plays football. Plays football. Ali play. Solve these MCQs by your own self. What is the predicate in this sentence? She is singing a song. She is singing a song or simple song. 4. Which type of sentence is this? Close the door. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Which sentence is interrogative? She is a doctor. What are you doing? Please sit down. What a beautiful place. Identify the simple sentences. I went home and I slept. Because I was tired, I slept. I slept. I slept and I dreamed because I was tired. Which is a compound sentence? Number A, I like tea. Number B, I like tea and he likes coffee. C, because I like tea. And D, I like tea because it is healthy. 8. Which is a complex sentence? Part A, I play cricket. B, I play cricket and I watch TV. C, I play cricket because I enjoy it. D, play cricket. Which of the following is an exclamatory sentences? Number A, she is happy. B, are you ready? C, what a great day. D, open the door. Which sentence is incorrect? She goes to school, keep playing cricket, they are happy, I am learning English. Solve all these MCQs and comment in the comment section. Here are some important tips. Always use a subject and a verb. Keep your sentence clear and simple. Practice daily to improve your English skills. The more you practice, the better you will. For watching this video, I hope you understand sentence structure easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Thank you.